Could you take me to this address, please? Could you take me to this address, please? How much will it cost to get to the airport? How much will it cost to get to the airport? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Please drive me to the nearest hotel. Please drive me to the nearest hotel. Can you take the quickest route? Can you take the quickest route? How long will the trip take? How long will the trip take? Could you help me with my luggage? Could you help me with my luggage? Could you turn on the meter, please? Could you turn on the meter, please? Can you take me to the train station? Can you take me to the train station? Is this the right way to the city center? Is this the right way to the city center? Could you wait here for a moment? Could you wait here for a moment? Do you know how to get to this place? Do you know how to get to this place? How far is it to my destination? How far is it to my destination? Can you turn up the air conditioning? Can you turn up the air conditioning? Could you turn down the music? Could you turn down the music? I'm in a hurry. Can we go faster? I'm in a hurry. Can we go faster? Is there a traffic jam ahead? Is there a traffic jam ahead? What time do you think we'll arrive? What time do you think we'll arrive? Could you take a different route? Could you take a different route? Is this the quickest way to get there? Is this the quickest way to get there? How much longer will it be? How much longer will it be? Could you drop me off here? Could you drop me off here? Can you take me to the hospital? Can you take me to the hospital? Please drive carefully. Please drive carefully. Do you have change for a $50 bill? Do you have change for a $50 bill? I need a receipt, please. I need a receipt, please. Could you pick me up at 8 a.m. tomorrow? Could you pick me up at 8 a.m. tomorrow? Can you take me to the main entrance? Can you take me to the main entrance? Is it safe to take this route at night? Is it safe to take this route at night? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Could you take me to a tourist information center? Could you take me to a tourist information center? Can you take me to the nearest subway station? Can you take me to the nearest subway station? Please wait for me here. Please wait for me here. I'm not sure of the address. Can you use GPS? I'm not sure of the address. Can you use GPS? How much is the fare so far? How much is the fare so far? Could you open the trunk? Could you open the trunk? Can you avoid the toll roads? Can you avoid the toll roads? Could you stop by a convenience store? Could you stop by a convenience store? What's the traffic like right now? What's the traffic like right now? Can you take me to a pharmacy? Can you take me to a pharmacy? Is there an extra charge for luggage? Is there an extra charge for luggage? Can you help me find my way back to this hotel? Can you help me find my way back to this hotel? Do you know any shortcuts? Do you know any shortcuts? Could you call me a cab for later? Could you call me a cab for later? I have to catch a flight. Can we hurry? I have to catch a flight. Can we hurry? Can you take me to a quiet place to make a phone call? Can you take me to a quiet place to make a phone call? You have a phone charger I could use. You have a phone charger I could use. Could you take me to a shopping mall? Could you take me to a shopping mall? Can you recommend a good local attraction? Can you recommend a good local attraction? Could you stop here for a moment? Could you stop here for a moment? I need to go to the embassy. I need to go to the embassy. Can you take me to the business district? Can you take me to the business district? Could you take the scenic route? Could you take the scenic route? Is it okay to smoke in the cab? Is it okay to smoke in the cab? Can you take me to the nearest ATM? Can you take me to the nearest ATM? Could you drive slower, please? Could you drive slower, please? Can you turn on the radio? Can you turn on the radio? Is this your usual route? Is this your usual route? Can you drop me off at the back entrance? Can you drop me off at the back entrance? Could you take me to a car rental service? Could you take me to a car rental service? Do you know any good hotels nearby? Do you know any good hotels nearby? How much will it be in total? How much will it be in total? Could you take me to a park or garden? Could you take me to a park or garden? I need to go to the police station. I need to go to the police station. Can you recommend a good local cafe? Can you recommend a good local cafe? Do you have any water in the car? Do you have any water in the car? Can you take me to a place with a good view? Can you take me to a place with a good view? Could you drive around for a bit? Could you drive around for a bit? I'm meeting someone at this address. I'm meeting someone at this address. Can you take me to the closest tourist spot? Can you take me to the closest tourist spot? Please avoid the highway if possible. Please avoid the highway if possible. Can you pick me up from this address later? Can you pick me up from this address later? Can you recommend a nice place to eat? Can you recommend a nice place to eat? I think you missed the turn. I think you missed the turn. Can you take me to the next big intersection? Can you take me to the next big intersection? Could you help me find my way around the city? Could you help me find my way around the city? Please take me to the nearest coffee shop. Please take me to the nearest coffee shop. Can you take me to the bus station? Can you take me to the bus station? You know a good place for shopping? You know a good place for shopping? Can we make a quick stop here? Can we make a quick stop here? Can you wait while I run an errand? Can you wait while I run an errand? Could you recommend a good bar? Could you recommend a good bar? Can you help me with directions? Can you help me with directions? I'm a tourist. Could you show me around? I'm a tourist. Could you show me around? Can you drop me off at this hotel? Can you drop me off at this hotel? How long have you been driving a taxi? How long have you been driving a taxi? Could you take me to a nice park? Could you take me to a nice park? Is it possible to get a discount? Is it possible to get a discount? Can you drive me to the downtown area? Can you drive me to the downtown area? Please drop me off at the front gate. Please drop me off at the front gate. Can you take me to this museum? Can you take me to this museum? Could you take a different street? Could you take a different street? Can you take me to the nearest gas station? Can you take me to the nearest gas station? Could you turn off the heater? Could you turn off the heater? I need to make a phone call. Could you wait? I need to make a phone call. Could you wait? Could you take me to the convention center? Could you take me to the convention center? How do you like driving in this city? How do you like driving in this city? Can you take me to the stadium? Can you take me to the stadium? Could you show me some landmarks along the way? Could you show me some landmarks along the way?